It's what they all say when they see me pouring some more.
Hey guys, so I've decided to continue this SFX series and this is the second video of this series. Please check the first video out if you haven't seen that one. In this video I'm gonna make injuries on my face from tissue paper, and that is actually pretty easy. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post something, and let's get started. So first of all, I'm applying glue on my cheek cause we will make our wound here. Rip off some tissue paper and make sure the corner of the tissue paper are not straight. Now I got the shape I want, so let's cover this whole thing from glue, especially the edges. And let it dry. We are repeating the same step again. And now it's time to paint. I'm using my basic foundation first. Hold up, I was supposed to make a cut first. So rip off a really tiny part and cut it. Please be careful, don't actually injure yourself. And yeah, we are almost done with the cutting part. So let's paint again. I'm checking different shades of skin color until I get the color I want. Now fill your cut from red paint. I'm using aqua body paint for colors. And I'm gonna make some random lines on my wound cause why not? And I'm using yellow color to make it look a bit infected. Finally, I'm using blood. And I'm gonna make some random lines from blood as well. And yeah, that's it. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you guys have any suggestion, any questions, please let me know in the comments.